There's a sense of community here at Minneapolis College that I've never experienced before. Being able to have the support between your peers and the faculty to interact with them in a healthy, motivating way really changes your whole perspective on life. And even the alumni support we have here at the college has been amazing and really helpful to my academic success. My name is Sarah Nelson. I'm a student in the addiction counseling program here at Minneapolis College. One of the most amazing things I would say about this program is the personal growth that you experience. Just making those connections with people, being able to build those relationships, knowing sometimes someone just needs somebody to talk to. I've felt at this college I've had way more support than any other college I've been to. You're providing that help that people need. You just view people in a different way.